Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Doge Elon Mars. As in my earlier video, that I was showing you that Doge Elon Mars has broken out a broadening rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart and also broke out a very long-term uptrend line resistance as well. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we move to the live daily time frame chart, this was the broadening rising wedge pattern. By the way, you can see that whenever the price line was getting bounced from the support of this wedge, it was forming higher highs and higher lows as well. And this time after this bounce, the price and broke out the resistance and also broke out this long-term resistance. And after the breakout, the price and retested this previous long-term resistance as support, and now it is again geared up. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance is coming from here. By the way, previously it was working as support from the month of June 2021. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. Then we had few more touch points here. Then we had a nice bounce. Then we had another bounce here, and this was another bounce. And finally, we broke it down. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance, but now we have broken it out. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this down channels breakout and this bigger falling wedge breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for SFP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup. When you will scroll it down, then here you can watch like this with the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Doge Elon Mars. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 5th of August 2024, for the past several weeks, in fact, it was moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern and forming higher lows and higher highs whenever it was getting bounced and getting rejected by the resistance. And right now you can see that we have finally broken out the resistance and also broke out this very long-term resistance, uptrend line resistance as well. And after the breakout, the price then retested this uptrend line resistance as support and geared up. For example, if Doge Elon Mars breaks it down, this uptrend line resistance, then it can drop down to the previous resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern that can now work as a support. And by the way, if it will move down there, then it can move somewhere here approximately at 1804.0000 and 006 times 0 1804. Okay, here on this daily time frame chart, we have also broken out this quite long-term down channel as well. This was the previous down channel that we have broken out, and this was the resistance and this was the support. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this down channel, that target can be here at the top of the channel at 0.0000 and 006 times $0.42. And by the way, at this level, we also have a quite long-term resistance as well. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this 4200 has been previously breaking at the resistance here, and for several weeks, it has been breaking at the resistance here as well. On the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 0.000005 times $0.2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.